dots, right?
My math teacher is probably the most commonly sold one across the board.
This one?
Yeah, people who are even not in school, they just like the colors and design. They don't know what it stands for.
It is cool.
It is cool. I mean, I don't know what the hell it is. It probably would
see that.
make a lot of
There's
conversation.
derivatives and cosine.
Yeah. So,
But listen at you.
I'm about to say, it sounds like you're pretty familiar with it. Where did you guys go?
Huh?
Where did you guys go?
He went to Iowa,
Oh,
Central,
Tennessee.
in Tennessee.
Yeah.
Okay.
I went to Georgia State University.
Oh, that's what's up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I went to Morehouse and I did research at
You went
Georgia
to
Tech.
Morehouse? You're a Morehouse man.
No, I never finished.
Oh, you didn't finish?
Yeah,
Okay.
I promised my parents after I scale my company, I'll go back to school and finish my degree.
Well, I love it. You started at Morehouse. Morehouse is here in my heart. Morehouse and Spelman. I love them.
Amen. Amen.
Okay.
That's what's up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, good luck to you, young
Thank
man. I'm not sure I can purchase.
Okay.
I'm not blessed. I kind of like this now. Maybe I could do this because I